Today we will be going to Montjuïc, the Jewish mountain, the fortress there on top of the hill. We have to ride the cable car to the mountain. This place has a unique history, as it was called the Jewish mountain and the Jewish people lived there. And there was also a fortress that protected a key point in the city from attackers from the sea. Also, the Olympics. In 1992, the Olympics in Barcelona was hosted here, and there's an Olympic ring in Montjuïc. We're gonna go there now, and I will show you the views from the top. We'll go do all the cool things there as we go to Montjuïc. Let's go. We're taking the elevator up.
She's afraid.
Oh yeah, this view is gonna be amazing. I'm telling you, it's gonna be an awesome ride. I'm glad I grabbed it. You can see the Sagrada Familia out there. It's gonna be a nice ride. I'm glad I bought this. It's gonna be a nice ride. It's definitely gonna be worth it. You can see everything from it. See everything from it. Look at the car. It cost me $20 or 20 euros to go up. Oh, look at the beach view. We packed in the cable car. Ooh. The view's gonna look nice though. Like a little restaurant. Like a little restaurant. Rooftop bar restaurant. Getting off the cable car now. Gotta go up the stairs. Try to get to Montjuïc Castle. It's a nice view up top there. Beautiful view. Got a little restaurant. Nice restaurant. Get you a drink, some food. Look at the city view. So I'm here in this beautiful, peaceful garden here. Got an old Spanish garden. It smells good. Oh, there's a hotel up there? That's a hotel. You wanna be a boss, stay at that hotel. Boss hotel right there. Not a lot of people here right now. It's about 6:30. Sun's coming down. I came here to try to catch the sunset. We got panoramic views here. Hey, my friend. What are you making? Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo está?
Bien.
What are you making? ¿Qué es tu construcción? ¿Qué es tu construcción?
Arte.
I'm making some art.
Es manera de molestar.
Huh?
Uno está haciendo su trabajo y viene.
He got in seen too nicely. Now he's yelling at me. Look.
Vete a la mierda. Oye.
Now he's cussing at me. Look.
Vete a la mierda.
People are ridiculous, man. I'm telling you. Some people are ridiculous. Don't ever listen. I'm gonna tell you one thing. I didn't even put the guy on video either. I just put his little art on video. Then he started cussing at me, so I had to put him on video. But listen, man, you're gonna meet good people in this world, and you're gonna meet not so nice people, you know. So don't ever let anybody energy put you down, change your energy. You always got to keep good energy no matter what, like a force field. All right, so I just learned that the castle of Montjuïc is far from here. This little area has all the restaurants and stuff like that. So I got about a 20-minute walk. I got to take a 20-minute walk to go see the castle. But this place is a beautiful view up here. Amazing view. Don't get no better than this. I'm glad I came. We're gonna start walking to the castle, check out the castle. I think everything up here is just restaurants in the hotel. And I love this Google Maps live view. Look, this is where I'm at now. And I gotta come up here, go over the bridge, go up the mountains. We're gonna walk through the mountains, go up there, then we go to Montjuïc. It's gonna be a crazy hike, but I almost went that way when I should go that way up. So that live view showed me exactly I gotta walk up over the bridge. Gotta walk right up these stairs right here. Look at this view behind me. Look at this hotel, it's nice. Hotel Miramar. I wonder how much this place is a night. Probably 300 a night, 400 a night. Got the sunset. Look, remember I was down there? I was gonna go that way, but now I'm coming this way. This is the way to go. This is the mountain view way to go. Got a little shortcut. Instead of going there, I'm gonna go up here. Shortcut through the trees. Walking up a steep mountain. It's a nice hike, I'm telling you. Whew. You're gonna get a workout coming up here if you walk, but it looks like you could just take a taxi up here if you wanted to. There's a road that goes up here. Just take a taxi. But if you did that, you want to be a part of the journey and exploration. It's a part of journey in life. That's what this is all about. It's like a little park you can stop at. A lot of people are just stopping, chilling at the park. I'm not stopping. Gotta conquer this castle. We came to Spain to be conquistadors and conquer Spain, conquer Barcelona, conquer Spain one city at a time, reconquer. Look at the view as we conquer the mountain to the top of Barcelona. Beautiful view. All right, so they got another cable car you can go on that takes you up to the castle. So this looks sick. This one looks way nicer than the first one. I got the whole car to myself right now. This looks sick. It is nice view. This view. spot is sick. It's one of the coolest cable cars I ever rode in my life. See the whole city right here. Came back down through here, but I'm not getting off. I gotta get to the castle. I gotta conquer this castle before it closes at 8. Got about probably 30 more minutes to get back up there before it closes. We're making it closer and closer to the mountain, baby. Going to the freaking castle. I can see the castle from here. Castle right there. Got this ocean view behind me, city view to the right of me. Castle view to the front of me. Not a bad day. Oh, we made it to the castle. They're not gonna stop me with all these mountains and hills and steps and cable cars and metros and taxis. They're not gonna stop me. I'm gonna make it to the top of this castle today. It's a beautiful sunset view right now. And I see a beautiful entrance to the castle. Right there. Oh yeah, I made it in the castle. They ain't gonna stop me in this castle, man. I'm gonna make it inside this castle no matter what. I'm gonna take this castle over today. But in all seriousness, place looks beautiful. Oh, more tickets. More money. Buy the cable car, buy this cable car, buy this taxi, buy this metro to get over here. Buy this ticket to get inside. They're still not gonna stop me. I'm still gonna get inside. Let's see how much it costs to get the freaking ticket. We're inside the castle. I had to buy the ticket for $12. We getting there, we getting closer, baby. Oh, we made it. We made it. Couple more steps. Couple more steps. Oh, this is beautiful. We made it. We conquered. Woo. This view is crazy. Ooh, we got some pollution up here, boy. Whatever they're doing in that factory down there, all that smoke is blowing up here. I better go to the other side. Who's this? We got the big guns out here. The conquest is not over. I still gotta make it to the top, the very top of the castle, for us to fully conquer this castle. Also, I heard the best view is from up there. It's perfect time to be here. No one's even here. We got sunset, beautiful. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to say access. If you ever wanted to know how to say access, there's 4 ways on how to say it. Was that like the Catalan flags up there? Catalan. be a party here at the castle. Looks like they're gonna have a rave. It's gonna be a music festival here at the castle. Oh yeah, they got like a little stage here. Be a music festival. I'm trying to get to those stairs there. More stairs. More stairs. More steps. They put so many steps in your way. They try to stop you from making it to the top and conquering their fortress. But I'm not gonna stop. I don't care how many steps they put in front of me. I will make it to the top of this castle. To the terraza, or terrace, or terrace, or Teresa. Bet you didn't know there was that many ways to say terrace. But now you know. Let's keep going. Up the steps. Which way do we go? We go this way. We go this way. If it ain't right, it ain't right. We going right, baby. We go right. Ooh. Woohoo. We did it. We conquered the castle. We made it to the top, through the mountains, through the freaking steps, hiking the mountain, through the metro station, avoiding pickpockets trying to steal my phone. We're here now in the most beautiful castle I've ever been to. What's that? The bishop. It's a nice view here at the top of Jewish Mountain, in the fortress, Barcelona, the stronghold. Key point 2. Keep the city safe and protected. The port safe by the sea. We conquered the king. We conquered the king's fortress. We made it out alive, baby. We made it. We made it through the metro, the station, the metro station, alive, the subway. The metro's the subway. We made it out alive, baby. And we conquered this castle. They can't stop me. They can't stop me. You think they're ever gonna stop me? Never. Can't stop me. I'm gonna keep traveling. I'm gonna keep showing the world. I'm gonna keep exploring the world. Because it's what I love to do. This is what I love. That's the goal. Travel the world, make it my job. See the world, see the cultures, try new foods. See these amazing views. It's beautiful.